Good afternoon, guys. This is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm standing on our 2019 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. This boat is equipped with Trip Mercury 350 Verados. Looking at the outside of the boat, this is Sea Ray blue hull color. Stepping aboard, the first thing you're going to notice is the teak flooring. The teak flooring goes all throughout the boat, actually. On the back of the boat here, nice big lounge area to sit in. A couple different configurations. This seat can swivel over. Give you a backrest here and a backrest over there. Again, in the back, there is a very large storage compartment. Right now the canvas is in there, but there is room in there for a paddleboard. Stepping into the cockpit, you can notice here on the starboard side, this is actually Sea Ray's beach mode, so this will actually fold down. This whole side will fold down. It's a nice platform jumping on and off the boat. Great talking point, this area right here. Again, on the starboard side, sink, twin canyon grills, cooktops, spot for a trash receptacle, cockpit fridge, and just more storage right there. Plenty of seating back here. Again, when this is turned, you kind of get a nice L-shaped seat here. Teak cockpit table, two different configurations here. Fold it like so if you do have a nice little spread, wine and cheese parties. Moving forward, at the helm, we have twin captain chairs with thigh-high bolsters. Mercury's digital throttle and shift. Axia's propulsion system. Lemco trim tab switches. This is also part of our Simrad VHF. Twin Simrad displays, all touchscreen. You can access all the lights through this right here. All of our halo switching, obviously your main switches right there in case of an emergency. Fusion stereo remote. Spotlight controls. All right, plenty of cup holders throughout the boat too. Starboard side, double wide companion chairs, and individual thigh-high bolsters. Nice function with this seat here. You can actually spin it around, turn it this way, so if you are docked up, you know, you're not stuck facing forward. Nice hardtop enclosure here. We can open this up. If I can open it up. Oh, hold on. There we go. My apologies. Opens up, gives you nice sunlight in the boat. Also, extended sunshade hanging off the back here, so you can extend it all the way out. It'll cover to about right back here, so you can get the people sitting at the back of the boat some nice shade. Before we go down to the berth down below, we'll go up to the cockpit or the bow up here. Ton of seating up here. Everybody gets their own nice individual armrests. Two cup holders up here with an additional stereo remote and 12 volt for your phone. We have another teak table up here in the front, and different kind of configurations depending on who's up here. Windlass would also be up there on the front. Access to some controls right there. And also up here we have the bow filler cushion, so you can kind of fill this area in right here, kind of give you a nice little spot to lounge in. Going down, see a nice seating configuration right there in the front. Obviously this table, you know, if you are, say, eating again some dinner, opens all the way up. Another another cushion there to fill this area in. Turn this into a bed. And at the back, ton of room there. Ton of room to sleep. Fit 3 or 4 people back there. Microwave, refrigerator, TV, air conditioning down here with the generator, obviously. Very spacious head. Nicely put together there. Alright guys, again, this is Peter Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any other boat we have, feel free to give me a call, 732-551-8914. Thank you.